Mike, you're late again.
Sorry, Miss Johnson. The bus was delayed.
This is the third time this week.
It won't happen again.
Stay after class, please.
Yes, Miss Johnson.
Sarah, where's your homework?
I forgot it at home.
Again?
My dog ate it.
I'll need to speak with your parents.
But
No excuses. See me after class. Tom, is that your phone?
No, Miss Johnson, it's just.
Hand it over.
But I need it.
You can collect it after school.
My mom might call.
She can call the school office. Emma and Jack, are you talking?
no, I was just.
I dropped my pencil.
This is a test.
Sorry.
Both of you, see me later. David, what did I just say?
Something about.
You were drawing again, weren't you?
The class is so long.
Let's talk after school.
Not again.
Hi, Tom.
Hello, Sarah.
What class do you have now?
I have math class.
Do you like math?
No, I don't like math.
What's your favorite subject?
I love English. What about you?
I like science.
Why do you like science?
Because we do experiments. It's fun.
That sounds cool.
What do you like about English?
I like reading stories and writing.
Are you good at English?
Yes, I get good grades.
That's great.
Which subject do you not like?
I don't like history.
Why not?
Too many dates to remember.
Oh yes, that's hard.
Well, time for class.
See you later.
Bye, Tom.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Mike. Ready for the math test?
What test?
The math test today. Don't tell me you forgot.
Oh no, I really forgot.
Did you study at all?
No, did you?
Yes, I studied for 2 hours.
Can you help me before class?
We only have 10 minutes.
Please, just the main points.
It's about fractions.
I hate fractions.
Did you at least do the homework?
No, I played video games.
Oh, Mike, what am I going to do with you?
Help me study next time.
Promise you'll do your homework?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, let's meet at the library tomorrow.
Thank you, Anna. You're the best.
Don't forget your books this time.
I won't. See you in class.
Good luck with the test.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Tom. Where are you going?
I'm going to English class.
Who's your English teacher?
Mr. Brown, he's very nice.
Is he the new teacher?
Yes. Do you have his class?
No, I have Ms. Smith.
How is she?
She's good, but gives lots of homework.
What class do you have now?
Science with Mr. Johnson.
Is he strict?
Yes, very strict. Don't be late to his class.
Good to know. What's your favorite class?
I love art class with Ms. Wilson.
Why do you like it?
She's funny, and we do cool projects.
I have her class tomorrow.
You'll like her.
Oh no, the bell.
We better hurry.
See you at lunch.
Bye, Tom.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, John. What's that in your hand?
It's my phone.
You can't use phones at school.
Really, I didn't know.
Yes, it's one of the school rules.
What other rules are there?
No running in the hallway.
Anything else?
No eating in class.
Can we eat in the hallway?
No, only in the cafeteria.
The rules are strict.
And don't forget, no chewing gum.
What about wearing caps?
No caps in class.
When can we use phones?
Only after school.
And during lunch break?
No, not even then.
I better put my phone away.
Good idea. I don't want you to get in trouble.
Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. See you later.
Bye, Emma.
Hi, David.
Hi, Lucy. How are you?
Good. What will you do after graduation?
I want to go to university.
Really? What will you study?
I want to study medicine.
Wow, that's great.
What about you?
I want to be a teacher.
Which subject?
English. I love languages.
Where will you study?
Maybe at City University.
That's a good school.
What about next summer?
I'll work at my uncle's store.
That's nice. I'll travel to London.
To practice English.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Your English will be perfect.
I hope so. What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
You'll be a great doctor.
Thanks. Time for class.
See you later.
Hi, Sarah. You look tired.